Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube channel. This is Venkat. In this video, I am going to discuss about Numpy. A brief introduction of Numpy. Numpy outlines the techniques for effectively loading, storing, and manipulating in-memory data in Python. The dataset can come from a wide range of sources in a wide range of formats, including collection of documents, collection of images, collection of sound clips, collection of numerical measurements, or nearly anything else. For example, images, particularly digital images, can be thought of as simple two-dimensional arrays of numbers representing pixel brightness across the area. Another example is sound clips. It can be thought of as one-dimensional array of intensity versus time. The other example is text. It can be converted in various ways into numerical representations, perhaps binary digits representing the frequency of certain votes or pairs of votes. No matter what the data are, the first step is in making them analyzable will be transform them into array of numbers. For this reason, efficient storage and manipulation of numerical arrays is absolutely fundamental to the process of doing data science. Now we'll take a look at the specialized tools that Python has for handling such numerical arrays. That is nothing but the num package. In short, NumPy is numerical Python. Provides an efficient interface to store and operate on dense data buffers. In some ways, NumPy arrays are like Python's built-in list type. But NumPy arrays provide much more efficient storage and data operations as the arrays grow larger in size. NumPy arrays from the core of nearly the entire ecosystem of data science tools in Python. So time spent learning to use NumPy effectively will be valuable, no matter what aspect of data science interests you. NumPy is the fundamental package for scientific computing in Python. It is a Python library that provides a multi-dimensional array object. Various derived objects such as masked arrays and matrices, and an assorted of routines for fast operations on arrays, including mathematical, logical, shape manipulation, sorting, selecting, and basic linear algebra, basic statistical operations, random simulation, and much more. So, NumPy library consists of homogeneous multi-dimensional array objects, and it is a collection of routines for processing of array. And developers perform operations on mathematical and logical operations on arrays. There are a huge inbuilt functions for linear algebra and random number generation. And it is often used along with the SciPy and Matplotlib libraries. In the next video, we'll see the examples and some of the built-in functions in NumPy. Thank you very much for watching this video.